welcome back to the BSN channel. Back in the kitchen again. I can smell some saltfish being done. Got some palm. Got some Bayerɛ, which is a yam.
Ball yam.
So, Ma, what are you making today?
Well, I'm making I'm busy.
And with what type of stew?
With fish stew.
Fish stew.
Yeah.
What type of fish you got? Is this kipper here or is that mackerel?
It's a kipper, smoked kipper.
Smoked kipper, okay. And what's it you have in this pan?
I've got smoked fish, soft one, and then salted fish.
Salted fish. Is that chili in there as well?
Yeah, and then
onions?
I've got onions.
And palm oil. Anything more?
No.
Okay. So what she did is the palm oil is used to saute the onions. Then you add the chili and the salt fish.
Yeah, I'm now coming to put this one in, which is the kippers first. A bit more fishy.
So added the kippers in. Soon we're going to be adding mackerel in tomato sauce. Okay, that's the best one. Tomato sauce is the best one to have. You don't really want to have the one in brine. No, that's too much salt. It's already enough salt in this. So yeah, mackerel and tomato sauce. We've also cut up some tomatoes here.
Yeah, I'm going to use this one like aubergine. It's aubergine. I'm going to use it like garden eggs.
It's the dark aubergine. I can't remember.
The purple one.
Yeah, the purple one. She's cut into 4 slices. And she's gonna chop them down further.
It's like when you're doing the okra stew, you cut the garden eggs in square bits. Like
and for those who don't know, garden eggs, which is known as nyadua, is actually called white aubergine. So this is the brother, or the cousin.
The chief one.
Yes, the big man. Yeah, make sure it doesn't burn.
Then to bring my tomatoes in.
I'll add some more, moisture to it, more water.
Fresh tomatoes are cut. That's what I'm using. So.
But if people don't have that, can I use plum tomato? Yeah. So you can use the tin ones if
the plum.
You don't have the fresh ones, Smelling nice right now. Get it side to side. Okay. Smelling nice and fishy. That's what you want. Courtesy to the saltfish. And what saltfish did you use? Just ordinary saltfish?
Yeah, salted fish, the one that...
the ones that Jamaicans use for ackee and saltfish?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same saltfish that Jamaicans would use for ackee and saltfish. So what we usually do is we buy the dried version, we place it in water. So this, you let it rest in water for about 10-15 minutes, and rinse it. It'll still be lots of salt within it, but there's too much in the beginning, so you want to remove the excess salt. Otherwise, it'll be too salty.
The yam is almost done. So I've done some quick transfer.
Yeah, because the cooker thing is
it's fast,
bigger.
isn't it?
Okay. It's not going to take long for this to be done. It's quite a quick recipe.
Yeah, a quick. It's taking me less than 30 minutes to complete the whole cooking.
adding the rest of the aubergine. Will the aubergine go in before the mackerel?
Mackerel is last.
Okay, so this would be the last thing that will go in.
Aubergine, this one will go in first, the mackerel. So.
Alright, my mom made a mistake. This will go in last. This will come in just before the aubergine. So let me say. This is smelling very nice because of the palm oil and the saltfish. Okay, so just as a reminder, yeah, you put palm oil first. Obviously, you
Can you show them palm oil, the one we use?
I'll show them in a minute. You cut your yam, you rinse it, then you boil it in water. You put the palm oil in the pot, you let it heat up, then you add the onions and the saltfish and chili. Let it saute. Afterwards you add the chopped tomatoes or peel plum, whichever tomatoes you have. Afterwards you're going to put the mackerel in there. Then you're going to put the aubergine last.
A bit of salt on mine. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and don't forget the salt. For the yam, that is, not for the
Nice and flavor.
saltfish. Always remember to rinse the saltfish, put them in water, otherwise it'll be too salty. Alright, my mom wanted to show you the palm oil we're using. We're using Colombian red palm oil.
Yeah, we used to use that
organic.
before, but I never get it right.
Yeah, we used to use the West African version, like the Nigerian and the Ghanaian one that they'll sell in your local African shop. But I'm not gonna lie to you, you know, obviously I love Africa, but this is way better. I'm not lying to you. Colombian red palm oil, we've only tried it in the last 2 weeks, and the taste is so authentic. The last time I had this taste in my mouth is when I was actually in Ghana, where they actually make the palm in front of you. It takes a long time to make palm, but I mean, the homemade palm oil is the best.
No addition for friends.
Yeah, because the ones they sell in this country, they lie to us. They tell us, oh, this is pure Ghanaian palm oil. It's not pure. I'm not stupid. I know what palm oil smells like. It smells like they add some next corn starch in to mix, and I'm not happy about that. So if you can, buy some organic palm oil if you can. It's so better. I'm not even hating. It's just I wish they would sell the Ghanaian one properly, because they're bringing a bad name. Because when you go to Ghana, it tastes like this. You know?
So they get the real one.
So seriously, you get that one. Nice. What have you just added into this one?
A little touch of
cayenne pepper.
Yeah. So I didn't have enough chili in
So it doesn't have to be Scotch bonnet.
I've got Scotch bonnet in it. Okay. Just want a bit more chili because it's a lot of fish. So, and I'm now going to put my fish in it. The
mackerel and tomato sauce is going to be added just before the aubergine is added.
Ask me why aubergine last.
What?
Why aubergine is last.
Well, why is the aubergine last?
Because it's just a veg, so you need only few steaming.
It's true, because if you cook the veg too much, it loses most of its nutrients. You don't really want to do that.
Are you sure this?
Yeah, I've shown this.
It's very good.
But seriously, let me just stress one more time. This palm oil is nice. Okay? If you're in England or I'm not sure about America yet, but if you're buying the Ghanaian one and it's not tasting the same, you've noticed that it doesn't taste the same like 10 years ago, it's because they've added something to it. It's not like the pure one that you find in actual Ghana and Nigeria. It's not the pure one. Try and find this.
You get this online, isn't it?
Yeah, we got this online. I don't know what. I think it's from this realfoodsource.co.uk.
Yeah, it's organic.
It's organic, and I'm seriously when we was having stew the other day with yam and plantain, I almost chewed off my fingers, you know. Seriously, because I missed this taste. I forgot that palm oil tastes like this. This is how palm oil is meant to taste like. Let me show you the inside. See right there, it's like butter, smooth. You see the one they sell in this country that they pretend that it's from Ghana. It's not smooth like this. It's full of little squares inside it, and you can tell they've added corn to it or something. I'm not joking. I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
The background taste is totally
It's horrible. The background taste is horrible.
They said it's zombie or something.
Zombie.
Like
They're lying. That's not pure zombie. They're giving a bad name to Ghanaian palm oil or West African palm oil like that. It's giving a bad name. So if you notice that the ones they're selling in England, they claim that they're from Ghana and it doesn't taste the same.
Yeah.
Now you know why. Okay, now she's adding the aubergine to it. The last ingredient.
Just steam up for a while and that's it.
This means that it's done. Do you need to stir this?
I do it very gently, yeah. Put it in the bottom to steam for a while.
But it doesn't take a lot of heat for these aubergines to break. You know, they break down quite easily.
Quickly.
So what will you name this particular sauce? Because we've had many names before. You have to give it a unique name.
It's aubergine stew really with fish.
Yeah, but what would you call it in Tree? What was your unique name?
It's the same as Inyadua abomu.
Okay.
Fish and Inyadua.
So would you call
Or Nturopo. There's a name for aubergine in Ghana.
So Inyada was the small one then?
Yep.
And the big one is
Nturopo.
Nturopo.
Yeah. I think all the accounts, all the tribes, they have their own saying, names. But Ashantis call it Nturopo.
So the dark one, so they have this one in Ghana, yeah? I don't see it often.
We don't see the dark one. We have another big one, but it looks a bit green. Oh. But it's the same as this.
Same family.
Yeah, it's only this country you get this color.
So we have to call it Nturopo abomu.
Nturopo abomu, yeah. It's not Inyadua abomu. This is Nturopo abomu.
There you go.
It's like aubergine sauce.
Oh, there you go. How long are we gonna let this rest for?
For about the next 10 minutes.
Okay.
5-10 minutes. And then I'll switch it off.
Alright, so this hasn't taken too long to make. I'd say about 30-40 minutes at most.
Yeah, in total, it's not even an hour. It's done.
Yeah, not even an hour.
An hour, I think 45 minutes. Including, preparation and everything.
Okay, so we'll come back when this is done and dished out. Peace. Okay, dishing out the food now. Do a little closer. You can see the nice palm oil. The proper palm oil. None of that fake stuff that we've been eating for so many years. See right there? Got the aubergine right there. Tomatoes right there. And all those little squares you see, tiny squares, are actually the fish. And that's the base of the flavor combined with the palm oil. You understand? Yeah. And we got the yam. The Bayerɛ, which is
Yeah.
it is the original food of Ghana. Because understand plantain is foreign, is brodier, meaning foreign thing.
Abro.
Abro.
Abroad.
Abro. Meaning foreign. Abrodier. Yeah? So, the plantain came from the Portuguese. But I still like plantain, don't understand, you know. But the yam has been there for centuries. Just like the cocoa yam. You know, one day we have to make cocoa yam fufu, you know.
Definitely.
Hopefully, I'll go back to Ghana one day and we can do that properly. And I will film it. But that's a long time away from now. So I hope you enjoyed, you know. If you can, you know, like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like, it is what it is. Everyone has a different preference. Peace and God bless. What's going on?